Hello friends, it is currently Sunday, February 12th. It's Super Bowl Sunday, but I do not care because I don't have a leg in this game. Anyways, me and Phoebe are home. I had dance rehearsal and then I had a couple errands to run after church. So we're home now and guess who's coming to town? Grandma and Granddad. My in-laws are coming into town for a week. I go back to work tomorrow, so this is a blessing. They're originally supposed to come next week because Caleb is on winter break. What is that? Oh. Anyways, I'm about to feed her and I'll wait for them to arrive. I just finished the last little bit of cleaning up. She's hungry, so let's give her a bottle. Ready to eat? So, as I stated, we are getting ready for the in-laws. Why do you do that? But why you do that? Why you spit it out? Here. Little girl, what's happening? I know you want it. There. See? See? Anyways, we're waiting for them to come. They should be here in a couple hours. So I'm just going to feed her. I'm going to eat my lunch. And then I will probably try to do some crafting. This is Sundays are usually the days that I craft the most because I have absolutely nothing to do. I do need to do my nails. I'm looking at my nails in this camera. I'm like, ooh, girl, they ugly. But anyways, I'll probably try to do some crafting and wait until Marcus gets back with the boys. They are grocery shopping right now. And when they get back, we'll see what happens. I know my mother-in-law is just going to take Phoebe and the boys. So that'll give me a lot of time this evening to craft. And my husband cooks dinner on Sundays. So we do that. And yeah, I mean, nothing for the next couple of hours for me. I'm just going to sit here, probably watch some of my YouTube crafting friends, and then watch some friends on travel, like channels I have on YouTube. Some Hulu, Netflix. We'll see how much I can get watched in a couple of hours. But yeah, this is where I'll be for at least the next 15 minutes though. Was the milk good? Did I disturb your zenness? You're taking it all in this. Hey. Hey. Boys are back with the groceries. Good job, Caleb. Yes. Hi. Oh, yeah? Oh, my goodness gracious. Oh, my goodness me. You're so cute. You little dog. Back to work this morning. my in-laws are here, like I've been saying, so this has been great. It's currently Monday, February 13th. I usually take the boys and get them up Monday, Wednesdays, and Fridays, and my husband does Tuesdays and Thursdays. But as I was about to get up to go to their room, my father-in-law walked into the room. He's an early bird like me, and my husband went in there to help pick out their clothes, so they're all good. I am out here with baby girl. Say hi. Say good morning. Good morning, pretty. And we're about to head downstairs because I'm about to do my workout and my 2-mile walk. I probably will take her if my mother-in-law is not awake. If my mother-in-law is awake, then I'll leave her here so I can, leave her here because I have that option. But if not, then I'll just probably take her with me. No big deal. She's been doing so many of my walks with me, and she just sleeps the entire time. So yeah, and then I get back, take a shower, and start work again. It's been so long. 2.5 months is such a long time. I haven't been to work since the week before Thanksgiving. So luckily I work from home. So I'm super blessed, and I really don't have anything to complain about because I can literally take a shower and walk 2 steps down to my office craft room. So yeah, not too much complaints here. So let's get the day started. Good morning. Good morning, Isaiah. Isaiah has an attitude this morning. I don't know why. But they're just talking to Phoebe. Well, Caleb is. Ouch. Y'all ready for school?
Yeah.
You're not ready to go to school, Isaiah? All right, so I am done with my workout and my 2-mile walk. I have just logged into work. I'm trying to get my monitor up here on, but I've been so out of it for the last 2.5 months. I just am like, am I not doing this right? What is happening? I know this is supposed to be on. Oh, now it turned on. But I just had my breakfast. I had some toast and 2 boiled eggs. I got my much needed mommy juice this morning, got coffee, and answering emails, text messages. I literally have over 1,000. Let me put y'all down. I literally have over 1,000 text messages. So this is going to be a fun day. Luckily, my director has said that she's going to give me till Wednesday to catch up, and all of the people on my team and the people that I help and stuff, they're gonna give me time. I also have to train a couple new people because ever since I left, my director has hired 5 new people on our team, 5 or 6. So now we're fully staffed as a team, as a department. So this is great. But I have 2 new people on my team. I think my anxiety level from yesterday, it's still there, nervous. Not nervous, but oh my God, I know it's gonna be a lot. But I am strangely very calm right now. So I'm just gonna go through the emails, do it one by one, listen to some music, and let that be that. Can't do nothing else, right? Just gotta take it how it's gonna be given to me. My in-laws are here. They have Phoebe. They're gonna pick up the boys. So it's gonna be a great week. I'm so blessed and so happy that they are here. Because actually now that I'm talking about it and thinking about what it is that they're taking off of my plate, I'm realizing how less stressed I feel right now. So I'm excited. So yeah, got more text messages. Are y'all done with y'all food? What are you doing? Playing with your stomach?
Now I'm playing like that.
Whoa.
Like that.
What, you looking in the window right here? Looking at your reflection?
I play like that.
You'll keep on the TV?
Yeah, I'm playing like that.
Oh, okay. Was your food good?
So now I'm playing with some
You guys
spring beans.
enjoy it.
Oh,
plant? Isaiah, what? All right, got the first day back to work in the books. It wasn't as bad as I thought it was going to be. As I've been stating, my in-laws are here. So my mother-in-law had my daughter all day while my boys were at school, and my father-in-law dropped them off and picked them up from school. So I was able to just focus on getting back in the groove of things. All I was doing was just checking a ton of emails and messages. So it was a good day. We all had dinner, baths, showers, all that. Boys are in the bed. I'm about to go back down and get Phoebe from my mother-in-law and put her in the bed and just chill out and do some stuff for DIYing. Hey friends, so I have been crafting for most of the late evening, early afternoon. It's 6:45 right now on Wednesday. Oh, I look all greasy. And I've just finished those 3 DIYs over there. Anyways, so I've been doing that. It is actually a collaboration with some friends, and I am late to add my video. It was supposed to be added an hour ago or 45 minutes ago, but my video is still rendering and it's taking about 35 minutes. Too long. My computer is also overheating because I think I was doing too much on it at one time. So I'm learning to, and I'm trying to practice, just calm down. I always say control what you can control, but sometimes when I just really want to get something done, it's hard to do that. But anyways, that's basically what I've been doing since about 4 o'clock, is finishing up some DIYs and editing. This video took me it's really fast to edit because I only did 3 DIYs. I usually do like 4 to 7 DIYs, but I decided to pace myself a bit and just try not to do too much. I do have a newborn, and my friends on YouTube keep reminding me that, like, girl, how do you even do what you're doing, putting these videos out? And honestly, I really don't know. Maybe these behind the scenes vlogs help you guys understand it, because I still don't understand it. I'm pretty sure I've mastered the running on fumes part of life. But I'm excited for these 3. By the way, these wreaths up here, these 3, I absolutely loved. But that video is not doing well on YouTube, and I do not know why. Sometimes with YouTube, we put, as crafters and content creators, we put up a video and we're like, oh, this is so good. Like, we love it. And then everybody else hates it that watches the videos. And then we put a video up there like, oh, yeah, I didn't spend too much time on it. It seemed way too easy. It just, but it blows up. That's how I feel with these. Maybe, hopefully. I mean, I like them a lot, but I never just do 3 DIYs in my videos. I always do more. So I feel like, it's a short video. So it's going to be like 10 to 11 minutes. Usually my videos are like 15 to 19 minutes. So, but yeah, it is what it is, right? It is what it is. So I'm just going to finish editing. And I've also updated my workspace. It's way cleaner and so much easier to work around.